Have you ever downloaded songs on Spotify only to realize you can't actually play them outside the app? So, if you want to convert Spotify music and playlists to MP3 files and actually keep them, this video will save you a lot of time. First, let's quickly look at how to download songs on Spotify. If you have Spotify Premium, you can download songs for offline listening. You just tap the download icon. But here's the catch. Those downloads aren't MP3 files. They're DRM protected. You can only play them inside Spotify. You can't move them to other devices, edit them, or use them freely. And once your subscription ends, they're gone. That's why a lot of people look for ways to convert Spotify music into MP3. I've tried quite a few tools for this, and honestly, most of them are either slow, lose sound quality, or just crash halfway through. But I did find one that works pretty reliably. It's a desktop tool that lets me save Spotify songs, playlists, and even full albums as MP3 files. So I can store them on my MP3 player, USB drive, or even play them in my car. If you'd like to try it out, scroll down to the comments. I've pinned the link there. And the process is super simple. Just open the built-in player, pick the songs you want, choose MP3 as the output format, and hit convert. That's it. What I like is, it's fast, keeps the original audio quality, and saves all track info, so everything stays organized. So yeah, that's how you can convert Spotify music to MP3 files and have more flexibility with your music. If this helped, feel free to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.